There were rumors about a more elegant and expensive version of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 that were expected to be released in the autumn even before the device's official introduction. Originally known as the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, this version was supposed to have a more streamlined appearance than the regular model. However, since then, both Google and Honor have unveiled their own foldable smartphones that claim to have a smaller profile than the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the yet-to-be-released version. LED Samsung has been forced to reconsider the name of its next flagship foldable device as a result. There is now conjecture that the product will be marketed under the name Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition, which is a more fitting moniker than the original Slim. Since the device falls short of being ultra-thin, it would have been deceptive to refer to it as slim and run the danger of being made fun of by rivals. Indeed, Honor has already made a lighthearted quip about Samsung's newest foldable device, the Galaxy Z Fold 6, in reference to how bulky it is. The special edition of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 could well be the version that Samsung ought to have released right away for the same reasons, however. The information available so far has mostly come from leaks and rumors rather than concrete evidence of the device's existence. However, with the appearance of a rumored render of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 online, things are beginning to shift. A picture purportedly showing the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition has been unveiled by Android News. It seems similar to the Z Fold 6 at first, but closer examination shows a much slimmer shape. According to rumors, the device folds down to only 10.6 mm in width, making it noticeably slimmer than the 12.1 mm Galaxy Z Fold 6. Despite being an amazing achievement, this is still not as good as the 9.2 mm Honor Magic V3 and the 10.5 mm Pixel 9 Pro Fold. With the required improvements to rival other well-known foldable devices, the general design is reminiscent to Samsung's flagship foldable device. Although it looks that the back glass of the special foldable has a metal-like appearance, the photograph suggests that it could have a brushed metal back. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.